Get ready, Samsung fans, we have so many leaks and news today. Most of the details about the Galaxy S24 series have been revealed through many leaks. They are expected to launch an improved 45-watt power adapter and a new 50-watt dual charger. Samsung is reportedly planning to sell two new fast chargers separately from the Galaxy S24 phones. One of them is a 50-watt dual charger called the Charger Duo that can charge two devices at once. However, Samsung phones currently charge at a maximum of 45 watt, and it's expected that the Galaxy S24 will have the same limit or even 25 watt for the basic model. Samsung is also updating its 45 watt charger to a new version. We don't know exactly what's new about it yet, but it's likely to be released with the new phones. Also, spare parts for the Galaxy S24 have been sent to repair centers globally. A Slovenian repair center, Mopestekla, shared some images of the Galaxy S24's parts. The pictures include two circuit boards with USB-C ports, a flex cable for the screen, and a ribbon cable for the volume and power buttons. While these might not be very interesting to the average user, they are useful for people who repair phones. A repair shop in Slovenia has also listed the prices for the battery, screen, front and rear glass, camera, loudspeaker, and other parts of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S24, the battery is priced at 68 euros. To fix the screen and front glass, it costs 259 euros. The front glass alone is 165 euros, and the back glass might be 71 euros. The camera lens cover is about 42 euros. The front and rear cameras cost 69 euros and 99 euros, respectively. For the Galaxy S24 Plus, the battery costs 72 euros. The combined repair cost for the front glass and screen is 255 euros. Individually, the front glass replacement is 175 euros, and the rear glass is 72 euros. The front camera replacement is 75 euros, and the rear camera is more expensive at 105 euros. Lastly, replacing the lens covers for the rear cameras cost 45 euros. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model in the series, is expected to cost 1,449 euros for the 256 gigs version. If you need to replace the screen, it might cost 375 euros. The front glass panel is estimated to be 199 euros, and the rear one is 48 euros. The front camera replacement may cost 66 euros, while the rear camera could be 150 euros. The case of the Ultra, possibly made of more expensive titanium, is priced at 350 euros for replacement, significantly higher than the S24's 233 euros and the S24 Plus 243 euros. The pricing of all other parts, including the metal case, NFC, charging connector, loudspeaker, microphone, proximity sensor, fingerprint reader, light sensor, power button, volume buttons, vibration motor, and Wi-Fi module are available on website. You can also check out link in description. While the listed prices for the Galaxy S24 series parts are specific, whether they match up exactly with the costs at authorized or official Samsung after-sales service centers is still uncertain. Nonetheless, the prices typically don't differ too much from those at official centers. Yesterday, we saw the price leak of S24 series from France. Now we have new pricing leak from Italy. Roland Quant, a credible source, has shared information indicating that the upcoming devices will be somewhat cheaper than the previous versions. The new pricing details also match up with earlier rumors circulated last week. The baseline 8/128 gigs Galaxy S24 will start at 899 euros, while the 8/256 gigs version will go for 959 euros. Galaxy S24 Plus will start with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage for 1,149 euros, while its 12/512 gigs trim will go for 1,569 euros. Galaxy S24 Ultra will be offered in 12/256 gigs, 1,449 euros, 12/512 gigs, 1,569 euros, and 12 gigs in 1 TB, 1,809 euros. Now, like always, let's dive into all the details of the S24 series, including its features, design, and cost. This will help you figure out which one suits you best. To my regular viewers, you're probably familiar with this, so feel free to move on to the next video. Now, let's dive straight into it. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.